How to withdraw crypto from Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this following tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw crypto from Coinbase. So in order to withdraw crypto from Coinbase, it's a very simple process. So for that, make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. Now, first of all, log in into your Coinbase account. Three of the most important thing while you're doing trading on crypto app is that you'll have to make sure that your account is verified. With that, you need to have enough funds and that you have a payment source, which means that you have already linked a bank account or credit card or whatsoever. Now then, to begin with, once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to this interface. Now right on this page, you'll be able to find an option as transfer. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you need to go ahead and tap on withdraw, which is located right at the bottom. Once you do that, you'll be able to see this sort of interface because my account is not verified. But in your case, your account is verified, then you'll be proceeded on to the next step where you actually need to enter in or select what you actually want to. Go ahead and select the asset that you wish to sell, and from there you can, and from which you want to withdraw the money. Once you've done that, enter the exact amount and enter in the destination, all sort of thing. Then you also need to enter in the currency type and whatsoever, go through the prompts and follow the instructions and complete the procedure. So it's going to take a while in order to complete the transaction. So till then, wait patiently. And that is how you can withdraw crypto from Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.